What's up, y'all? It's your girl Jasmine, and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how I do a half braid, half sew-in style. So my client is going on a trip. She showed me these two pictures as inspo, but she was like, girl, I don't want my braids going straight back, but I do want some zigzags and some crisscross, but don't make them going straight back. I'm like, okay, bet I could do that little freestyle off the dome, okay? So I'm gonna start off by doing my regular braid down that I would normally do at the back, you know, like for crochet or like, you know, I do this braid down a lot in the back. If you watch any of my other videos, I do this braid down all the time. So anyway, we're going to split this here in half, and we're going to go ahead and braid down the back. I am using Easy Edges Edge Control Gel. I feel like it is very thick, and I like that when it comes to doing like cornrows. If you need a sturdy cornrow braid, get this gel because it's very sturdy. I like it. You don't need that much, and it grips. It does what it needs to do. You know, sometimes the gel could be kind of wet. I don't like braiding with wet gel unless I'm doing like a wig braid down. But if I'm doing something that needs some little sturdiness to it, that needs to last for a long, long time, I'm going to use that Easy Edges Edge Control Gel. Okay, get that one. So yeah, I'm doing this braid down. She did purchase 2 bundles from me. So we did 2 bundles of 26-inch deep curly in the back. You know, I sell hair, but I really purchase hair sometimes on a client basis. So if you ask me, I could provide. You know what I mean? So that's what I did. She wanted some curly hair for the back. So I purchased her 2 bundles of 26-inch deep curly for us to sew in the back. I am using that peppermint aloe anti-itch grease. So her hair got some, you know what I'm saying, some moisture in the bag. And then if it start, you know, if it's itching, this gonna take care of it in the beginning. So oil your client's scalp, okay? Oil your scalp. And I like using that one because it's got a little tingle to it. And I'm gonna be honest with y'all, oil these days is just running off the scalp. For some reason, I just feel like the scalp is not absorbing these oils anymore. We're using grease, okay? I like Design Essentials, the one that I just showed. I like their herbal complex. And honey, you can always use a good Blue Magic. Everybody knows about Blue Magic. Go back to using grease, okay? Your scalp's gonna love you for it. I'm putting a cap on the back of her head because she is going to her home country. Don't get me the line on here, but whatever. She's gonna be in the water, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and secure the back of her hair so these braids is sturdy. And we're gonna use a net to hold everything together back there so she can be swimming like a mermaid. And not have to worry about her hair. So when I get done with the braid down in the back, before I start braiding the tracks, just so I ain't got no hair in the way back there, I'm gonna go ahead and cornrow the front. I'm starting off with this basic parting, which should let me know like, okay, these is the sections I'm braiding to. And because I made that side part, I know I'm braiding to this side part. I asked her what side she like her part on, and we're gonna braid to that part. So me and my nails, we are getting to clicking and the clacking, okay? And I could braid really well with my nails on. Honestly, y'all, I'd be surprising myself. But just watch me go. Just watch me go. I'm going to also show y'all how I sew the back. I did not do no leave out. We don't have time for that. We're not going to be laying her hair over this curly hair. She getting in the water. No, ma'am. We're not going to be doing that. Do not be leaving your client's hair out. I mean, it honestly just sickens me. Like, braid it all up. Make sure it's a protective style, because if you're leaving that little piece of hair out over the track, that piece of hair is going to be damaged. Let's just keep it 100. It's going to be damaged. Okay? I'm going to show y'all how I sew in the back so you don't have to have any leave out. So just stay tuned for this video. Per usual, if you are not subscribed to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, go ahead and get down in the comment box. I will make sure to get back to you. But make sure you are subscribed so you can see what's popping at the Pretty Lounge every Sunday at noon. That's when new videos drop. It's every Sunday at noon. Just a little update. You know, if you're keeping up with the story, the Sweet Life is going well. The other girls at the shop, they have their own room. Here soon we're gonna break apart, so the Pretty Lounge will now just become me once again, Jasmine K, the all-around stylist. It'll just be me. You know what? I'm okay with that for right now. You know, I've been praying to God, and God is gonna show me the light on what to do next. But for now, the Pretty Lounge is going back to just me and the girls that were underneath me. We're all in the same building, but their business is now branching off, and they are doing their own thing. And I'm so happy and so proud of them and the things that they're doing, and I'm just happy to be a part of their journey. You know, in this life of, you know, becoming a beauty professional or just being an independent beauty professional. Like, I'm just excited to have been a part of their story, and I'm glad that we're all still together, you know, in this building that we're in. But Sweet Life is going great. I'm happy. I'm a happy girl. I'm a very happy girl. So yeah, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thank you all so much for viewing. And I hope that you all enjoy your week. As I always say, you know, stay positive, wake up with a positive, clear mind in the mornings, be a blessing to someone else. And yeah, you know, life is just moving on. Life be lifing. But smile about it, because you could be anywhere but where you are now. And if you are on this journey of becoming a beauty professional or independent beauty professional, good luck to you. I have plenty of tutorials on here to help you with your styling, just showing you how I do things, because I could do a little bit of everything. Okay, I could do a little bit of everything. So watch my videos. Watch my videos. All right, y'all. It was a pleasure as always, and I will see you all next week. Peace.